In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini AI in Gmail for best productivity. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser and then simply go ahead and log into your Gmail account, just like so. Now, when you log into your Gmail account, then you have all your inbox details, as the case may be, right here. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to use Gemini for a particular mail right here. So I can simply open up a mail conversation right here. Like, for instance, I can open up this mail right here. Now, when I open this email right here, how can you use Gemini for this type of mail? Now, first thing first, you can use Gemini to summarize this email. Simply come to the top right here, click on summarize this email, just like so, and it's going to summarize for you. Let's go ahead, summarize, and then you have the summarize of the mail right here, or the body blah 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 right here. Everything has been summarized into a single sentence right here, that you have full knowledge of what the mail is all about. Okay, just like so. Let's go ahead and tell Gemini to reply to this particular mail right here. How can we do that? We want to simply come back to go ahead and open up the mail again, and then for us to use Gemini to reply this mail, we want to make sure we look for the sender ID. So go ahead and click on to me right here, and this is the sender ID. Simply highlight the sender ID right here, then right click on it, and make sure you go ahead and click on ask Gemini right here. And then a box here is going to open up right here. You can ask Gemini right here and say, can you please reply to this mail? Enter, and you are going to see the result based on the prompt that you enter into this particular section right here. So you can see finding information. This is Gemini, and this is your Gmail account right here. Just like so. All right, I have created this for you. Do you want to send it now? Just like so. Now you can see Gemini was able to reply to this email. You can now read it. Hi, Tommy. Thank you for sharing the latest practical guide on building income online, stuff like that. You can read detail, and it includes your name right here. Now, for every response given to you by Gemini, you have to cross-check and check some of the sentence, as the case may be, because this is an AI and sometimes they misbehave. So all you have to do, if you are satisfied with the result right here, all you have to do is to give Gemini an instruction to send. Just click on send right here, and the mail will be sent to the receiver without any stress. You can see Gemini has include the receiver address right here. It's that simple. This is one of the best way to use Gemini for productivity in your Gmail app. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use Gemini on your Gmail app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.